Our topic of today's discussion is what are the symptoms of arsenic poisoning? Arsenic is a metal which can be life threatening and even can cause death. So, today I am giving you some of the symptoms which will help you to recognize are you having arsenic poisoning? There are many different symptoms of arsenic poisoning, ranging from the relatively benign to the potential life threatening. Headaches and persistent tingling in the hand and feet are some of the earliest signs of exposure, and prolonged contact often lead to striped, discolored, and brittle fingernails. Stomach cramps, bowel trouble, and difficulty breathing are also common. And in extreme cases, people can experience cardiac arrest, blood disorder, and liver failure. The intensity and severity of symptom is usually driven by how much of the poison a person has ingested as well as at its potency. Persistent headache are some of the most common symptoms. Usually, they start out as a relatively high and are typically centered behind one or both eyes. Painkillers will often dull discomfort for a time, but in most cases, the ache returns just as soon as the medication has worn off. This is particularly common complaint of people who are being slowly exposed to small amount of arsenic over time, whether through tainted water, accidental ingestion, or internal poisoning. Another common complaint in arsenic poisoning cases is a subtle tingling or numbness, usually in the hand and feet. The sensation tends to come out and go, but often grows more intense and disconcerting over time. People who suffer from long term poisoning often say that their extremities constantly feel as though they are asleep. More general tenderness and sensitivity, particularly in the arm and leg, is also common. Next is fingernail changes. Usually dry, cracked, and discolored finger and toenail are a classic sign of arsenic ingestion. People with this symptom often complain of nails that seem to suddenly pronounced white or brown stripes that darken over time and become very brittle and prone to peeling. This effect can be long lasting even after exposure has ended. Next is gastrointestinal distress. A number of problems related to the bowel and gastrointestinal tract are common too. Stomach cramping, extreme constipation, and bloating happens in many patients, while others may experience vomiting, diarrhea, and general feeling of nausea. Once arsenic is in the blood, it tends to inflame many of the body's most sensitive tissue. The intestines are often some of the most impacted. The C-set of symptoms typically go away once the poison has left the body. Respiratory problem. The throat, lungs, and bronchial tissue are also relatively sensitive and can be damaged by the compound, which can lead to a range of breathing problems. Wheezing, shortness of breath are common, but a hoarse, raspy voice and a difficulty swallowing can be also present. Sometimes the spit turns yellowish to saliva may dry up. People with the symptom often have a tiny metallical taste in their mouth and frequently complain of garlicky breath. Extreme thirst sometimes also accompanies this symptom. Next is in extreme case, Most symptoms of arsenic poisoning are unpleasant and can lead to deteriorated health over time, but they can sometimes also be immediately threatening. People who ingest high dose of substance have been known to go into shock, which can lead to cardiac arrest, essential a heart attack, or stroke. Organ failure is another possible consequence, particularly when the liver and kidney are concerned. Next is what to look out for. Most symptoms of arsenic poisoning are also symptoms of number of other conditions and disease, which can make getting the right diagnosis somewhat challenging. Doctor and medical professionals usually advise people who suspect they have been poisoned to chart their symptoms over time, making note of how long symptoms last, when they began and ended, and their intensity. Anything that seems out of the ordinary and lasts for more than a day or two is usually something that experts say should be evaluated. Next is common safety precaution. Poisoning is most often due to contaminated food or water. Arsenic is a natural compound that occurs in the soil, sometimes in dangerously high concentration. Many cities and municipalities filter and test their water, but not at all do. People who drink from private, particularly old wells, may also be at risk. Drinking only filter tested water is good way to rule out this possibility. In rather cases, people are intentionally poisoned, usually by a crack taker or someone else with direct access to food and water supply. Anyone who suspects internal tampering should seek out to the local authorities. Arsenic poison isn't always fatal, but it can be a life altering consequence if left untreated for a long period of time. So if you are poisoned by arsenic or you have some common features of being poisoned, go and alter your doctor and check it. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead.